Yeah, sure. I will try that. I want the fatty one. The fatty one.
Very tender. Slowly, please.
Oh, wow. Perfect.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
You can have that, CJ. Yan si CJ, mga kaibigan, oh. Hello sa inyo. What do you want, buddy? Water? Nice. I put in sa side, okay? Ay, dadakanan dun sa dulo. May makabig lang. Kasama namin dito yung mga lolo, yung aking biyenan. Agoy, you okay, Goy? Okay lang siya, Goy? Ayan si biyenan ko. Oh wow, your fries. Yeah, yours is coming. This is hot, okay? It's still hot, John. Yeah, that's still in it, hot. Babe, we have more sausage for CJ, okay? CJ love the sausage. Maraming kaibigan, oh. Cheese. We'll get some fries. Fries. You okay, CJ? Dito kami sa restaurant kasama ang biyenan kong tatay ni Kano, kasama niya. Tabi sila. You like that one? Okay. Water. Hello mga kaibigan, kumusta po? Maligayang Pasko? Your water here. Oh, you like cheese. Meron ka pa dito, John, oh. Oh, banana. Yeah, you need more banana. Where's your croutons? Get some fries. I think the fries is ready. That's ready. Goy, how are you doing there? Good? Anything, Goy? Anything? Okay lang siya, Goy. Hello sa inyo dyan. CJ, you wanna try this? Potatoes. Ayaw niya ng potatoes. Ano talaga si Pinoy talaga si CJ. Gusto lang niya yung salad. Salad ang kanya. Ganyan talaga yan si CJ, mga kaibigan. Baby pa yan. At least, ayan yung gamiton yung kanyang tinidor. Baby pa siya. Say hi, CJ. Say hi, CJ. More banana. Hold on, I will cut it for you. Cut. Yeah, it's hot, okay? Yes. Okay. Your fork fell. That's okay, Goy. We'll get a new one. Oh, that's not yours? Okay. She has one. The waiter gave her. Thank you. I'll put there. I would like one piece. You want one, CJ? Hold on. That's hot. Yeah, and one more for him. Just put on my plate. Thank you. All right, perfect.
Lady?
Okay.
No?
Okay, ayan ang mga kaibigan. So, I will... Ano natin si Don Julio? CJ, put dito nilagay. CJ, I put right here, buddy. Dun. Dito, oh. Dito, oh. Hello sa inyong lahat. I thought you want it. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya, oh. Okay. Tinuro kasi niya na ako na mag-ubos nito lahat. Ayaw ni CJ. Nag-change mind si Manoy. Okay. Let me wipe your finger. Let me wipe your hands. Good. Your face. Hello mga kaibigan, kumusta po sa inyo lahat? Magandang umaga, gabi, tanghali. Yan si Sigares, oh. Yan siya gagawin. I think you need more water, CJ. Bigyan ko ng water si CJ para may refill siya kaya naubos ng tubig niya. Tubig-dubig lang itong mga chikiting. Bawal ang cook. Wait lang doon, wait lang, wait. Okay? Good. Malayo ang fries. Pati ng french fries. Ang layo sa akin. Madami kami dito ngayon mga kaibigan. Madami kami dito kaso lang private ang buhay nila. Nandito ang mga pinsan ni Kano. Lula ni Kano. Mga pinsan niya Agwagwa. Nandito din. Kaso, hindi sila pwedeng makita. Masyadong pero si Lolo Kano, walang problema yan. Hindi sila mahilig sa camera. Thank you, CJ. Thank you, Bali. Luciana, you okay? Good? You okay, buddy? You need anything else? You need anything, CJ? Yeah, CJ will like that. Just one for now. Okay. I'm good. I'm good. CJ, put in the plate. Put in your plate, buddy. Okay, I'll cut it for you. Dito kami sa Brazilian restaurant. Dito na nag-gathering ang mga biyenan ko. CJ, look. Here's the chicken. Babe, I think he liked the sausage. Ayaw ni CJ ang... Sige mga kaibigan, ingat po. Goy, you need help? You okay?
I need to go outside.
Okay. Okay, I'll bring CJ. Stay here. Bye muna mga kaibigan, ha?